There's no better feeling than getting off of work and hopping on your bike. Woo. A little bit of ice on my seat. Everybody's already gone. Let's see. It's 37 degrees. Could be worse, could be worse. I think I'm gonna go ride, get some Culvers. Just got off of work, so gotta put the left glove on first. That's always gotta put the left glove on first. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Culvers. I am pretty hungry, and then I'm gonna stop at Quick Trip, also grab some Red Bull for tomorrow. What are your thoughts on the new Minecraft movie coming out? It's Thursday right now. It comes out tomorrow. Me and my friends are gonna go see it. I think it looks good. It looks kind of good. It also kind of just feels like a money grab. And I don't know if it's gonna be a good movie or not. It does have Jack Black, which I don't think I've ever seen a bad Jack Black movie. So that has something going for it. It kind of, I don't know if I like the whole live action type of deal they went with it. It might, I feel like the animation way could have been a little better, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess we'll see. I know the inner child in me is very happy that they came out with the Minecraft movie, because there was a good section of my childhood where I played Minecraft just about every single day. And I still like Minecraft. It's still a good game. I mean, it doesn't really get old. Kind of feels like a cash grab though, because they feel like they're just trying to sell toys. Like, they got all the toys in Walmart. They got the McDonald's meal, whatever. I don't know. I know movies are like supposed to make money, but I feel like most movies nowadays are just for money. Just cash grabs. I got a new helmet, and the first time wearing it, I wore it for like 6-7 hours straight, and I had the worst tension migraine ever. Oh, cool truck, bro. But my head hurt so bad breaking that helmet in all at once. It's a lot more comfortable in short periods of time now, but might be broken in decently now, hopefully. It's honestly not that cold out. It's like somewhat comfortable. Not complaining. Also have a smoke visor, which honestly isn't as bad as my chrome. On my old helmet, I had a chrome visor, and you cannot see anything even in the city. But it's not, the smoke isn't too bad. What I was going to talk about. I had a few topics that I wanted to cover, but my mind just goes blank when I'm riding, which, you know, isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's nice to have no thoughts. Not really when I'm trying to make a video and talk to you guys, but I think that's a really nice part about riding. You just focus on riding. You guys seen that new Schedule 1 game? Me and my buddy have been playing that. He's been playing it more than me, but I've been hopping on weekends, and we've been, if you don't know, it's, I don't know how much I can talk about it on YouTube, but it's basically an illegal pharmacy game, and you're trying to like grow your empire and grow your business and stuff. Popo. But that game is addicting. Just kind of ironic because the subject, but that has been my pastime for the rainy days that we've been having, so. It's so nice riding with no cars around. Can't wait for the warm summer nights when it's dark out and not cold. Oh, it's also my weekend starts today because I work 4-day weekends, which is super nice, 10-hour days. So I still get a 40-hour work week, but I get 3-day weekends. Lots of... I don't think that's a cop. It's just an Explorer. Yeah, lots of time to do stuff on the weekend, so that's always nice. It's so much worth it working those extra 2 hours a day, and you get a whole nother day of weekend. One of these days coming up, me and my buddy are gonna ride down to the motorsports store, and we're gonna grab a set of 2 Cardos and split it, so I can finally have a, I think it's the Cardo Pack Talk Edge. But you get, if you buy a 2-pack and split it with somebody, you get like $25 off each, which not too much, but hey, saving money is saving money. So plus it gives me a reason to ride. Road work ahead. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Visor's fogging up a little bit. I got a pin lock visor that has that little plastic sheet that goes over it so it doesn't fog up. They only have that in the clear visor. They didn't have it for a smoke. It's kind of stupid, because that'd be a lot nicer. And I have that little flip down like pilot visor, but I don't want to wear a clear visor. That doesn't look as cool. Oof, okay, I'm starting to get a little chilly now. Culvers. Alright, talk to you guys in a minute. Very good meal. I'm telling you, you can never go wrong with Culvers. Let's get out of here, get to Quick Trip, and grab some Red Bull. I was thinking of making a video of me going around taking pictures of my bike and kind of explaining like what I'm doing and my settings and all that. Because I like to do photography and take pictures of my bike. That's what most of my trips are just finding places to take pictures. So let me know if you guys would want to see that, because I could definitely do that. Have a video of me taking the pictures and then show like the results, how they turn down and everything. Oh yeah, KT. That cashier in there is so cute, and I do nothing about it. Alright. Acquired the Red Bull. Do not want to go past the cop. don't have a license plate light on this thing. And I don't want to get too close to the cop because I don't want him to pull me over for it. That would be retarded. Man, there's a lot of cops out tonight. That was the sheriff. It's a Thursday night. Can't be that much stuff going on. Well, I mean, that's about it for this video. If you want to see more, you know, show some support, like and subscribe, do all that. Once it gets warm out, I'll definitely be uploading a lot more. I'll try to upload maybe like once a weekend, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, see you guys later.